Hello and welcome to a pretty quick rares report for Monday, August the 12th. Over the past 48 hours, Easter egg prices have showed some strength and then slid off over the night tonight, but again, we are staying within this triangle and now creating sort of a bit of a sideways channel even within that triangle, which really could go on indefinitely and become another really boring market to trade because it's flat. And really, when it's flat like this, you should not be trading that market. Or that is to say that I should not be trading this market when it's flat like this. Others may well have a different trading plan that'll make you an enormous amount of profit while the markets are flat like this, and cause you to lose money when the markets are moving heavily. So continuing on with this rares report, this was an important flag last week or a week ago when this price broke up so quickly. It was a real shocker, and that it stayed above there for a few days before coming back down here was also pretty significant to me. And I started watching all of the markets to see a bottom and perhaps the beginning of the uptrend on its way. And as we're going on to disk of returning, we can see that this is also in a nice big triangle formation, and it had created a nice bottom where it really came off this a few times before jumping up in price, and now it's creating a triangle formation right along this important point. So this again could be the reversal and a bottom formation showing up. And since these were the first two markets in all of the rares to be showing that, I was using that as a predictor for all of the rares that it could be now breaking forward. And now I'm not quite as confident because we've got the wine weekly prices. The price of wine has gone down below the lows that I've been tracking since the middle of June or thereabouts. And since this is the first of the rares to break below this important formation and continue showing softness, it really makes me more precarious, more cautious about the rest of the rares. And that's all it takes, is one of the markets to go against the other ones to give you the idea that there's something different in the market coming up, and I want to be ready for it. Moving on to the party hats now, we can see that purple party hat is really at the very lowest of these lows, and it really is in a big downtrend. So the odds of it turning around right now are increased because it's hit this low 5 different times in the last week and a half, 2 weeks here, and it's right at that very level. So because some of the markets are showing that one market is showing softness, I really wouldn't be putting my money quite into purple yet, but it's so close. And again here with yellow, very close, making a very nice 1-2-3 bottom formation. Absolutely time to watch it for sure. Same thing goes with the green party hat, I'm sorry. This one is still going sideways in this important triangle at the end of what could be the downtrend, or it's going to continue the downtrend. It's right at that choice decision-making point now for red party hat. White party hat looks much the same. Blue party hat looks much the same. It's holding this steady price. Although white, blue, and the half jug of wine are showing this similar lower levels in the current prices, that the other ones are not showing the same setup. Let's go on now to the lowers. Here we are with the green Halloween mask, and this definitely gives me the feeling that it's building momentum. It would have to break above this price for it to give me the certainty that this is changing momentum and not just going sideways within this range now. But I'm expecting higher prices here, just as I am with the party hats. And again with the blue Halloween mask, this is a good formation, good solid formation here, making a triangle. This is a long, slow sideways, but it does look like it's breaking above that downtrend, as does red Halloween mask, where it is showing some strength and higher lows all the way along here. I'm expecting that to break higher as well. And I'm expecting that to break higher because of what I've been seeing with the Santa hat recently. This is an accelerated rise in the price though, and may be something that's being pushed along by excitement. And maybe ready to come back down. So I'm really watching for things to correct now and go the other way, because there is one market that is not following all the rest. If it had not broken below those lows back in the edibles, and I look back now at this price of the wine prices, this is what's giving me the feeling that everything else may be in the position to follow this. And so you can see how it's important from day to day to watch all of the related markets in the items that you're deciding to trade. So for instance, if I was deciding to trade the metals on RuneScape, then I would want to watch all of the metals every day, taking a good look at them all the time, every day, and watching for the signal of one of them breaking pattern of the rest. In RuneScape, we can only make money when we buy low and sell high. In the real world, you can make money when you sell high and buy low. You can make money when prices are dropping. And we'll get into that more in the other website and other trading channel that I'm doing called Futures Trading Primer. This is Link Builder signing off. Thanks again for watching these Rares reports.